In this lecture, we are going to discuss the rational number and irrational number. For example, minus 2 by 7, 4 by 9, 3 by 7. All of these numbers are one integer divided by another integer. Therefore, they are all rational number, and in addition to number that look like this, all of the integers such as 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Similarly, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So on, you can divide any integer by the number 1, and you can write it as the ratio of two integers. So because of this property, all of the integers are also the rational number. What is the irrational number? Irrational numbers, irrational numbers are the numbers in the real system that cannot be written as the ratio of two integers. These types of numbers are such as the square root of 2, square root of 5, also the number pi. Okay, is an irrational number. So none of these numbers can be written as the ratio of two integers. But what about something it's look like the square root of 4? It look like the number that I have written here, but the difference is square root 4 is equal to 2, and it can be written as a ratio of 2 by 1. So the definition of the rational number and in irrational number, the main difference between the rational and irrational number is in the rational numbers, one can be written as the ratio of two integers, but in irrational numbers, it cannot be written as the ratio of two integers. And one more thing, I just want to add here. If you will add the rational numbers and irrational numbers, okay, then you will get the real numbers. Okay.